Shalom, shalom, lovely people. It's a great pleasure to be with you again. Today we will prepare a simple meal for weight loss and weight management. If losing weight is your goal, this is the video for you. We will prepare cabbage and sweet potatoes. This is how I bought my cabbage from the market. It was super dirty. I'm removing the dead skin of the cabbage and cleaning it. The cabbage is a very nice if you are on a journey of losing weight or managing your good weight you have, because it will keep you full for a long time and will give you the energy so that you stay active. The interesting part of the cabbage is that it's very, very low in calories and very high in fibers. In fact, it boosts your metabolism. Now that our cabbage is nice and clean, let's go ahead and chop it. I will only use a half of it and save another half for future economy here. You can chop it however big or small you want, but for me, this is the perfect size. I don't know about you lovely people, but I have realized that I spend a lot of time in my kitchen. If I'm not cooking, I'm preparing, arranging things, or washing dishes. I spend like 2 to 4 hours in my kitchen. That's a lot of time. So tell me about you. Do you spend also a lot of time in your kitchen? What do you do? Trust me, I sing when I'm in my kitchen, and I'm a very bad singer. I am a very bad singer. What do you do when you're in your kitchen? I want to know. Done with the prep, it's time to cook now. I'm bringing the pot. A gift. This is actually a gift from my grandmother. I like it. So I'm adding olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm starting with carrots. They are very good as well for the weight loss and weight management. So stir for like 1 minute and then add the cabbage. At this point, I'll mix everything to combine together. And I like this color, like orangey greenish color. It is so good. And then I'll add salt as well. Cover to allow the cabbage to become tender and to release all of its juice. And then I added onions and pepper. Look at the color. Look at the color. The color is just so nice to see. So stir, salt, combine everything together. The flavor, the aroma is just so good. Tell me, what is your weight loss goal before this year ends? May the Lord be on your side. Here comes the magic ingredient for this recipe. It's turmeric. Look at the color. I only used like half of teaspoon. We don't need a lot, just like that. It will be enough. And then combine everything together. After a very nice mix, I will cover for just some time and add sugar, and lastly add chopped tomatoes. Now at this point, our vegetables are ready. We will set it aside and start with sweet potatoes. I know some people who doesn't peel their sweet potatoes, but for me, I like it when it is, peeled. Lovely people, sweet potatoes are very, very good for your goal of losing weight, because it is very high in fiber and very low in calories, and they're also going to keep you full for a long time. That will cut off your appetite, and like that you won't overeat. Isn't that amazing? So this is why I like it for my weight loss management. To be sure that they are cooked all the way in the inside, I cut them like that in 2 parts. So like this, and wash them, transfer those in my pot. Greetings from my kids. I think they are coming to check if the food isn't ready yet. So I added water and salt and cover and boil. I boiled it for like 10-15 minutes. This is how to check if they are ready. This is ready. I'll turn off the heat and serve. Good people, thank you very much for being with me. May the Lord Jesus bless you, keep you, and be with you in your goal of losing weight. And if your goal is manage your good weight you have, may the Lord also be with you. If you have subscribed to our channel, thank you very, very much. And if you haven't done so, please consider becoming one of the family. Shalom, shalom. Until next time, bye-bye.